well, fast forward a couple late nights in the garage trying to get this thing figured out. We're still having the same issue. I don't know. Should not be acting this way, and nothing has changed since Tulsa. So I have no clue why it's breaking up. So we're just gonna have to see how it goes. As you can see, it is, oh, look at this guy. Look who showed up.
What's going on, man?
What's up, homie? On you coming in.
Yeah.
Goes down. See you. We see you. How's your trip?
Huh?
How's your trip?
Oh, dude, it was great.
Yeah?
It worked out great.
I'm gonna talk to this guy real quick. Be right back. So, like I was saying, yeah, I don't know why this thing runs the way it runs, but hopefully we can get a decent time out of it today and give Sketchy a good fight. By the way, if you haven't heard, today we got a grudge race lined up with the man himself, Sketchy Vert. You can see him over there. I hope that this car does what it does and gives them a solid race, because I just want to put on a good show. So time to go meet some people. Look at that.
Are we ever gonna get a race in with all this rain?
Probably not.
Probably not. You can put some rain tires on, maybe you can, and after our barbecue, you can have a little bit of rain in our race action.
I don't know. I don't know if my car can street as much as Sketchy Vert can.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure you could. You'll be fine.
I don't know about that, but we'll have to see.
I'm just glad to have it here, and it's not broken, you know. So that's true.
It must be nice.
It's really, yeah. Nothing against you. I know you're gonna get in your car. You're gonna run like an 8.4. I guarantee it.
I don't know. I don't know if it'll be that. It'll be something like that. Oh, look!
I'm his detail guy.
Mr. Kyle.
Oh, we got. Oh, that's so much better. It's pretty nice when you have Kyle Loftus detailing your car for you.
Yeah, that must.
I mean,
That's a good hand to have right there.
That's a really good hand to have.
We're just chilling. We're just having fun. So let's see if this weather holds off a little bit, and we've got a couple test passes to do. I'm gonna help Sketchy to see if I can help anything and get them lined out, get them running a little faster. And like I said earlier, hopefully I put up a fight. We'll go from there.
Right.
Yeah. This is something new. We're gonna do a little first-person video. I can see perfect. I'm gonna fire up the laptop first. So, a couple things that we gotta do to set up the car. First thing I'm gonna do is take the hood off, but I need to check tire pressure, make sure that there's ice in it. Look over my tune as far as launching and where I'm set at, because based on track events, I usually set that a little different. I'm gonna turn it down a hair at this track because they are prepping it and everything, but it has rain and everything, so I don't anticipate that it's gonna be super sticky like it would be at Texas 2K. Look, a Leroy copy. But they're busy doing burnouts and everything right now, so we're gonna do this while that's taking place. So go ahead and take this hood off. This is a pin-on hood with a push button. So all it takes is just pushing these buttons and then lifting the whole thing up. Lightweight. It's all about lightweight. So yeah, I dropped this one down at 15 and we're good to go there. So we just need to check on the ice, check on the tune, and make sure everything else is good to go. Test pass, I turned down the boost, so it should be probably a high 8-second pass. If everything goes good, try it out and see what happens. All right, so it wasn't bad, but we blew the tires completely off. Still ran 9.5 at 159.53. So mile per hour is there. We turned, like I said, we turned it down. So 159. Yeah, that's about right. I think it's running good, but that blowing the tires off is not gonna work. It shifted to second early when that happened, and the rest is history. Should be an interesting race with Sketchy. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna hook or not. We'll just have to see. Hopefully as more rubber gets laid down later on, and we'll try it out. Try it out again and see how it reacts. Other than that, it felt good. It didn't break up or anything. So let's go look at some data. It's 60 footed 1.5, but it blew the tires off.
Can't take you serious with that.
It's my new first person view for the viewers. You're gonna enjoy this later. So
You're one fan.
yeah, my one fan that watches my video.
I look forward to him too.
That'd be a good race. I'm gonna do a test hit, and I'm gonna be right back.
You making a pass?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a test hit.
You need any help or anything? You set up or what?
I think we're gonna leave it alone and like watch it for me and then see what you think.
Okay.
I need to adjust.
I'll get some video of the launch.
Okay. Yes.
One pass, and then it's just a test pass. So I'm gonna try to help him out as much as I can, because like I said before, we both want to be running 100%. We'll test him out, help him out. Behind him we got It's Just a 6 back there. He's gonna make a test pass, and also the unicorn vent back there somewhere. So there's a lot of heavy hitters here. We're gonna get some good footage.
Like, it needed more in it though.
I don't want to hear anything because you just ran a faster time than I did, so.
I blew him off. It did, it pulled really good. Yeah. Okay.
Trying to learn how to pack the chute from the experts over here, because we have no idea what we're doing. They do, so I'm just holding for now.
Yeah, turn it up like 1 more pound, 2 more pounds. I got 5.
Are you ready for this race of a lifetime?
I am.
It's been a long time coming. Make, solidify our name a little bit. Have a good time. He's a good dude. No, I like him. He's good people, and it's gonna be a fun race. The track's not that great, so both of us are gonna struggle, but other than that, it's just gonna be who can out mile per hour the other guy, Oh man, I think Sketchy broke. They made me go down. It ran a good pass, but damn, I really wanted to race him. It would have been an epic race. It just broke, so that's part of racing. Dang. Oh well. I'm gonna go see what's up with him, but first we need to pack a chute, put it back in. I'm pretty sure that was the last call for Test and Tune 2 for Grudge Racing, so I'm pretty sure we're done for the night. He probably is for sure, but shoot.
Hey, oh yeah. Wow, look at that. Yeah, I pushed that tire into the... Yeah. Dude, you guys need to build better shit. Come out here and break it on my mediocre start. My mediocre. No, I'm kidding. You see?
Sorry guys, I had a bolt break. It's like a $5 part.
Hey, I got some super glue in the truck if you want some.
That might work.
JB Weld.
I need some duct tape. Anybody got duct tape? JB Weld?
Hey, I got all those guys under the tower to go. What? That one, yeah.
End of the night, not how we wanted to end it, but
Nope.
it's at least something, so.
It was just a bolt off the lower control arm that broke. At least it didn't break on the big end.
Yeah, that's true.
So, I mean, it just, as I did the burnout, I was backing up and the car just went to the right and sank, and I knew I broke something. So
you know what that means though, right?
We got a rematch.
we got a rematch.
and see what's up.
I hear Dallas is not too far from you.
Dallas, Texas. It's like 10-hour drive. It's a 10-hour drive from
Not too bad.
Not too bad in times.
I don't call that a win. I don't call that a win. I want my car to be in front of yours at the finish line. That's a win.
That's all I want. Yeah, that's
cool.
That's
right. Man. Thanks for the run, Andy.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely.
Sketchy Vert, man, we're getting somewhere, which is encouraging. Sucks about Sketchy Vert, but it is what it is. We're just gonna end the video here and enjoy some Demolition Drag Race.